DryerDock Quick-Connect. It is the easiest way to connect your dryer's vent to your house vent. This unique solution is easy to install, looks great when installed, saves space behind the dryer, and makes maintenance a snap. Fits 4 tubes with a 6 flange. Easy maintenance. DryerDock is a 2-piece quick-release system that enables quick access to your dryer vent hose and vent pipe, allowing for easy removal and cleaning. Keeping the vent clean saves energy and prevents dryer fires. Eliminates environmental intrusion. Made of rigid ABS plastic and fastens together with a slight twist, the rigid design keeps the hose securely in place, eliminates air drafts, pest intrusion, saves energy, wear and tear on both dryer and clothes. Prevents fires. According to the National Fire Protection Association, dryer vent fires are the #1 cause of household fires. Nearly 17,000 home dryer fires are reported each year, causing around 51 deaths, 380 injuries, and $236 million in property loss. The original DryerDock, patented under USP number 6,131,958. DryerDock is the gold standard of quick release in the industry for home and commercial applications. It is installed in more than 500,000 homes, factories, and offices. Proudly made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Alternative install. Nice product, but takes a little thought and know-how. First I tried fitting the outside exhaust vent over the in-wall fitting, 1-foot street pick, but it would only slide on about 1/2, because the vent tube seam prevented it from going in more. This is probably why there are reviews saying it doesn't work, and the instructions don't mention that there's another way to do this. Please read on. So my only choice was to use a vent crimping tool, about $20, which would then make it fit into the in-wall fitting, 2 feet ND pick, which worked out fine. If you do it this way, then you need to be sure to use some duct-rated tape to cover the corrugated edges so it doesn't collect dust and debris. 3. Road pick. The last pick is the installed pick. The unit itself is well thought out and pretty much airtight.